Good afternoon. This video relates to digital literacy in the classroom. As an educator of young students for the past 30 years, my personal philosophy has always stayed the same. My belief is that it is my professional and biblical responsibility to assure that every child in my care has a safe, memorable, loving, and productive learning experience in the classroom. Every child is capable of learning. It is my job to meet them where they are at and create child centered lessons to assure they continue to move forward in their education. I teach in a private pre K classroom and am fortunate enough that the owners provide my classroom with a laptop, 3 iPads, a student desktop computer, cameras for students to use for projects, a smart TV for educational purposes, and a smartphone to take photos for documentation. And the owners are open to purchase anything I suggest would benefit my students in digital literacy. I also utilize platforms to assist in teaching, student learning, and involve parents in our daily activities. My classroom has a private Facebook page, a private YouTube channel, and we Zoom once a week with pen pals in 2 other pre-K classrooms in my hometown of Cairo, Georgia. Constructivism, constructivism is defined as learning by designing personally meaningful projects to share in the community using concrete objects to build and explore the world, identifying powerful ideas from the domain of study, and engaging in self reflection as part of the learning process. This learning theory fits my classroom perfectly. With all the technology available today, it is important to teach students about classroom digital literacies. 2 strategies I introduce to my students and teach students how to manage their own identities and how to use our classroom iPads, cameras to go on photo scavenger hunts. First, students are introduced to managing our classroom online identity. This is done when we use our private Facebook page. We discuss how everything we post is seen by our parents and family members, appropriate language use is addressed, and why it is important that our page stays private and uses privacy settings. Next, students use classroom iPads and cameras in small groups to go on scavenger hunts throughout the year. We use the photos to create different books in the classroom library. Hands on learning is concrete and assists in the retention of learning. Teaching digital citizenship is important in the 21st century because students need to know how to use technology responsibly and achieve digital literacy. Digital citizenship instructs students about cyberbullying, safety online, and their digital responsibility. Thank you. My name is Sonia Brotherton.